Welcome back to my new video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Can you see my cursor? Please just subscribe and turn on the notification. Do not forget to turn on the notification, please. And don't forget to, after this video, please make use of the comment section. Comment, share your thoughts on this video I'm making, and share your thoughts about all the videos I'm making. Share your thoughts on what future video do you want me to make. Please share your thoughts. Please, I want to know. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that whenever I upload new video, you get notification that I have uploaded new video. You will be part of the first people that will watch how to become a creative web designer using WordPress. And now we've almost gotten to where we are going. Yes, can we just clap for ourselves? Thanks for being there. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching my video. Now, in the last video I taught how we can log into our cPanel, and I give just brief overview. Even though it's not enough, I'm still going to make more videos on cPanel very soon. Yeah, I'm going to make more videos on cPanel, but I know many of us are anxious. We want to know how to create the creative web. We want to know how to create that creative website. So that's why I'm kind of moving very fast. So now I'm going to move to how we can install WordPress. In this video, all I want to teach is how we can install WordPress on our domain through our cPanel. Now, once you've logged into your cPanel, if you don't know how to log into your cPanel, I will drop the link of the video where I taught how to log into cPanel. I will drop the link in the description below. Check the description, watch the video. Then once you've logged into your cPanel, you can now move here, so you will be on the same page. No matter the hosting company you are using, I'm using Afis Host. No matter the hosting company you are using, your cPanel, our cPanel is the same. Now, for us to install WordPress, what we make use of is, if you come down right here, you will see a lot of software is here. You see a lot of software here. I'm making use of one of these, but before I get to that, you can install your WordPress in different ways. Yes, I can just come here. Can you see? Yeah, there are different web builder. All these are website builder that are used for different things, like this open real estate, majorly to create real estate. We have WHMSCS. I think this one is for creating hosting and others. So we have different. We have Joomla, we have Abate Cat, that's for e-commerce, PHP SMF. All these are all builders. They are all builders. Can you see? We have ClickBucket and others. So these are the builders we have. Then can you see? These are all still under Softaculous app installer. So you can just click on WordPress. So these are still under Softaculous app installer. It will lead direct us to our Softaculous app installer. But another way we can do that is, let me go back. Another way we can install WordPress is just come to this your search icon. Just search Softaculous, SOFTA. Then can you see it here? SOFTACULOUS, Softaculous app installer. So once I click on that, can you see it opened my Softaculous app installer? So whichever way you use, we are still on the same page. You are still using your Softaculous. So we are not concentrating on all this. Our main attention is not on all this. We are focusing mainly on WordPress. So I will just click on install. Just click on install. So that's how you install WordPress. Then after that, can you see it's going to install? What this means is it's going to install on what, feeltech.com.ng. You know, I've created a subdomain. I can actually install it on feeltech.com.ng, or I can install it on my subdomain. So let me install it on my main domain, because I do not have anything in my main domain. I will just click on feeltech.com.ng, and your site name, you can change it. For example, now you can leave it like this. I will still show you after installing in our admin side. We can change our site name and our site description. So let me just leave it like this. Don't change it, you can just leave it like this. So when we get to the admin side of my WordPress, we can change it. But make sure you change your username, because if anyone is trying to get into your WordPress installation, WordPress installed, and they want to get to your backend, since the general username is admin, so they can easily look for a clue to getting. But make sure you change your name. I'll just change it to Feeltech, since I'm working on Feeltech. So my admin username will be Feeltech. Then my password, I'll just change it. Then I just hide that, so I change it. So I can just make it of my password. So yeah, my password is still good, though it's not perfect. So admin email, make sure you use a functional email for this. Make sure you use functional email, because WordPress make use of this email a lot. WordPress make use of this email a lot, because if, for example, you install a theme and the theme is outdated, they send you a mail that that particular theme you installed is outdated. You installed a plugin, the plugin is outdated, they send you a mail, and some lot of other things. So make sure you use a functional email here. Then leave the rest, you don't need to touch anything. Then just scroll down and click on install. Within few seconds, your WordPress is installed. Your WordPress is being installed in School of. Can you see our WordPress is installed already? So if I go to my domain, my feeltech.com.ng, or I can just click on it directly from here. If I just right click, open a new tab, then can you see my WordPress is installed? Once you newly install WordPress, this is what it will show. This is the demo you are going to be showed. You are going to be showed this demo. So this means that you've successfully installed WordPress. Let me go back to my Softaculous app. Now, how do I edit this my website? How do I make changes? How do I design the creative website that is on my head? Now, to do that, I need to access the backend, and the backend is only for you, the web designer. It's only for you, the web designer. This is the front end where everybody can have access to. The backend is only for you, that you are the web designer. Now, how do you get access to the backend? Now, you can type it yourself, which is Feeltech, your domain name /wp admin. Can you see that? /wp admin. If you click enter, it will tell you to login. Or you can come to your Softaculous here where you installed, and I can just right click on this administrative URL. It's still the same thing, because that is feeltech.com/wp admin. Let me retype it for you to see. Your domain, your own personal domain /wp, then admin admin. Then just click enter on your keyboard, and your administrative panel will load up. Now it's not telling me to log in. Wow. Just taking me to my dashboard straight. Okay, let me kind of close this web. Sorry. Then I'm kind of uploading a video. Let me open it up again. Then let me type it, so you can see you are required to log in. So feeltech.com.ng/wp/wp, then -admin, then just click on enter. You are required to sign in. You are required to sign in. Can you see? You make use of your username. I made use of feeltech, or your email, the email you put while you are installing your WordPress. Is it that you use the username you use when you are installing WordPress, or the email you put in while you are installing WordPress? Anyone, it will and your password. You input your password, the password you used when you are installing WordPress, and you click on login. Once you click on login, your admin backend, can you see? Boom. So from here now, we can now make changes to feeltech.com.ng. So I've successfully installed my WordPress. So that will be the end of this video, how to install WordPress. In the next video, we will now start creating that creative website that is in our head. We will start pushing out the website that we've been imagining. We start bringing them to life. Thank you for staying with me to this moment. Thank you for watching my video to the end, and thank you for always subscribing, for liking, for sharing. And don't forget to put a comment in the comment section. I want to know your view. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know what the next thing you want me to do, the next video you want me to do. I want to have a word with you. Thank you for staying with me to this moment. See you in the next video.